What's up everyone, and welcome back to the Owl's Nest. Today's video we are going to be playing the Funko Pop Chase Roulette game. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to be playing the Funko Pop Chase Roulette game. I think I am 2 for 5, I do believe, in this whole Chase Roulette game. I have bought a total of 5 Funko Pops. I originally thought I bought 6. Let's go ahead and crack one of these and see if they're in sorters. I'm hoping they're in sorters. If they are, I'm going to remove them all and then put them off to the side. I'm not going to look in there because I do not want to see if I've got a chase. So, let me crack this open. Feel around. Okay, they're in pop sorters. Sweet. Alright, so I'm going to do the same method for the other 2 boxes just to cut time, to keep the video just the meat and potatoes, okay? Alright, so there are all the pop sorters. All the pops are in these sorters, so I don't think I've told you what we're trying to get a chase of, and it is the Twice from My Hero Academia. It is a Hot Topic exclusive with a chance for a chase, and that's what we're going to try to accomplish here today, is get one chase. Now, like I said, we are 2 and 5, I believe, in the whole Chase Roulette game, so we've gotten 2 chases out of the whole Chase Roulette game that we've actually played. Yeah, I know I spent about, like, what, enough to buy the chase outright, but this is the fun part about the Chase Roulette game. You get to get the pops and open them and hope for a chase. That's the name of the game. That's why Chase Roulettes exist. The thrill of the hunt, I guess. The thrill of getting the chase without paying the chase price. Whatever. We're going to take a look at number 1 and let's see if we got the chase. Bam. Did we get it? No, we did not get the chase. But there he is right there, ladies and gentlemen. Twice from My Hero Academia. Really freaking sweet looking pop. Let's go ahead and take this one out, and then we'll kind of skip everything else, and we'll open all the rest of those and actually show you what they look like. Alright, so there is the pop right there. It's a Hot Topic exclusive Twice pop. This one is not the chase. It does come with a stand. Now that we showed you what the pop looks like, we're going to just go ahead and open the rest of these and see if we got the chase. If I did get the chase, I will show you what it looks like out of the box. So let's go ahead and open up this one and let's see, did we get a chase? And 3, 2, 1, bam. Nope. Just a common Funko Pop, or exclusive. I don't know why I call it a common. I guess it's a common exclusive. Moving on to number 3. Alright, in 3, 2, 1, did we get a chase? Nope, we did not get a chase. It is another common exclusive. Box number 4, will we get a chase? Hopefully we get a chase. Come on. We need at least one chase in this line. Alright, in 3, 2, 1, bam. God. If I don't get a chase, I'm gonna cry. I'm not gonna cry. But it is just another common exclusive. Womp womp womp. Alright. So the 5th and final one, like I said, I ordered 6. I thought I ordered 6, but the first order, I guess I was just in a rush and I added to cart. I thought I hit 2. I dropped down menu and hit 2 and then add to cart and then check out, but evidently I didn't, because I looked back through my receipts and everything and I didn't. So alright, so the last one for all the money in the bag. Will we get a chase on pop number 4 or 5? In 3, 2, 1, bam. We did not get a chase. It is the common exclusive. Once again, I have about 4 common exclusives I need to do something with. I don't know. We only got the common exclusive Twice Funko Pop from My Hero Academia. Really cool looking pop. I really wished I would have got a chase because I wanted to show you what it looks like. You've probably already seen it, but I want to actually see what it looks like in person. I've seen a bunch of pictures online, but I actually want to see it in person. But there we go, right there. We got the Twice common exclusive from Hot Topic. Really freaking sweet. Wish we got the chase though. That'd be pretty badass if we actually got the chase, but we didn't. That is my time for now. I'd like to thank you for clicking and watching. Be sure to give this video a comment, a like, and a subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. Oh yeah, I want to thank everyone who did come out to my first live Whatnot auction. You guys stole my pops, so hope you enjoyed that little auction. I have another one planned in my head, not actually out on paper just yet, but I have it planned. I'm not going to be doing strictly just Funko Pops. I'm going to be doing like movies and DVDs and video games like in one show. I'm going to be a variety auctioneer. That's what I'm going to do. So some nights will be Funkos, some nights will be non-Funkos. So keep that in mind if you follow me. On behalf of the Owl's Nest, I will see you Falaka collectors in the next one.